I know you've been seeing turban, gele, head wrap everywhere, but here is the simple way to tie it on yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Measurement for this style is 50-50 and we are making do with the 75 inches gele with 3 away. So keep watching. You're going to make 6 to 7 pleats. In fact, you're going to make pleats up to the extent of exhausting the fabric. You just leave a little part, then place at the back of your head, bring in front and cross.
Fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
Ensure that your pleats are properly made. If you don't know how to do it from back to front, make your pleats in front, then send it to the back, like turn it to the back, then you cross in front. You get. So after we are done crossing, you're going to ensure that your V is at the center. You get. After that, you go ahead to take a pleat, pin to the base, then cross to the back. You repeat the same thing on the other side of the flap. Just keep watching.
We'll choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Can you see what I'm doing? Now after that, you go ahead to tuck all the excess inside of the fabric. You repeat the same thing on the other flap. That you're going to do it on both flaps. Then you go ahead to pin and arrange properly. Guys, please, if you're not yet subscribed, please ensure that you kindly subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. Subscribe, guys.
I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worth with. Baby, you make me feel nervous.
Now after you're done tucking everything, you go ahead to pin and arrange properly. Don't mind the way it's looking. I'm going to arrange it well. Can you see what we are doing? Our gele is almost ready. It's just like 90% done.
Until I look away. But I've known you too long.
This is very easy to do on yourself, and you could also do it on someone, but this period we are doing gele that you could tie on yourself.
As you fade away. As you fade away.
Now when we are done with that, we go ahead to push a bit backwards to show a bit of the hair. Then if you have any stairways, you can pin them to the base. You get. Easy peasy. Look at our gele. Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. Hey God.
Blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So this is what we have. This is our look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Ensure that you subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.